2 bottles of water. Thank you very much. Board Chair, you are highly welcome. We've had a few talks before you came, and then we are very happy to have him as the board chairman of Yona Group. Like I said earlier, it is not everybody that you see in the forefront, that you see every day. But there are great minds that are behind the scenes, ensuring that we achieve what we are achieving. And Mr. Manjang is the driver of the boss of Yona Group. So today, if you've not met him before, here he is. If you've never seen him before, here he is. He can come to any of your branches. He can meet with you anywhere. But like I said, we are not treating people because of titles. We are not treating them because I didn't know he was the board chairman. We are treating them because they are valuable people and they are customers that we want to serve. And to continue, I would love us to invite the one who hid away from us when we wanted him. But I'm sure when the board chairman came, he would definitely come out from hiding. Ladies and gentlemen, the CEO of Yona Group, Mr. Sirifo Toure. Louder. Louder. Again and again and again. Let's go, let's go. All right. So he was hiding. Now he is here. You know, there was a time when I came in new. We went for Friday prayers. I was walking behind them, him and Mr. Barrow. One of my friends I caught up with along the tipper garage, he was like, Fatih, I heard now you're working with Yona. I said, yes. But this Yona, are they owned by Indians? I said, no, Menta Mahena. The guy was walking, he was going. I said, Ifelenti, that's the CEO and that's the general manager. Gambian, they're Gambians. It's from a very small village in Yona, in CRR. Okay, I'm using very because Mr. Baron Dolbu Kunting called it. So, but it goes to show that an enterprise like Yona, most of the times, most Gambians would not be able to settle with the fact that Gambians are able to do something like this. So do not be in doubt that we are capable. Nobody would be able to build this country for us without us. So if he is able to do it, we are in support, we are in solidarity until wherever the vision will lead us. Like I said, when it was a corner shop in Enterprise at Bakau, some of us were calling Kino as Kuno. Some of us nimmen nu fitalang kaketet. But today, mbengan neo soto jele and exactly for any one of you. So if you are intending something good, the vision cannot only be a nuclear thing. It has to be extended, and then we are very much thankful to him for making sure that some of us are able to practice what we have learned. Employing over 600 people is no joke. Sometimes when they say our employment is over 600 people, the number is just limited to 600. That's my understanding. But until a chat with Mr. Barrow, he would say, all of these 600 people, one by one, are impacting more than 20 members of their families. Multiply that if you're a mathematician. 600 by 2020, each of them. You can now imagine the magnitude of impact Yona is doing in the Gambia and beyond. We are not only in the Gambia, we are in Bissau as well. Musa Jabi and team, thank you very much for the good work that you are doing there under the leadership of Mr. Kejau Bayo. To continue recognizing the presence of dignitaries, I would love you to join me to welcome Mr. Njundu Fati, who is the president of Gambia Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Ladies and gentlemen, give it. Mr. Fati is a great partner to Yona and a great friend to the CEO. Akafail and Karamo. So Karamoyan in Talibia Mala Belavanda Diamond, Akafail and Karamo. And Mr. Fati has been very helpful to the trek team in Basse, that we were staying in his hostel in Basse called Triple K. So it's a free advert for Triple K. If you go to Basse, sleep in Triple K. Thank you very much. But I will still send the bill. And would also love to recognize the presence of our head of IT for Yona Group, Mr. Babukar, all the way from Germany, and he is here with us today. Give it up to him. Thank you very much. And like I said, we would continue to recognize the presence of our dignitaries as we proceed. Ladies and gentlemen, Yona is a group of companies that consist of 6+ companies. Last year we stood here, we announced that every year Yona would go to the delivery room and the midwives are ready to deliver a newly born baby. Last year or year before that, we did not have Yona agribusiness, but we had one. We did not have Yona Islamic insurance, but we had one. Today we are here fulfilling the promises as promised last year that Yona is pregnant again and the midwives are ready and they have delivered a company, and it is the 7th and counting company within the group of companies. Ñune borom dole hamud ndanka, waye under the tutelage and leadership of the board chairman of the board of directors, ñun duñ musa xam ndanka, because dañ ko mun, dañ ko xam, dañ ko am. Te yéen a tax ñu mun ko am ko xam ko. I know you are all in doubt. The 7th and counting company, ladies and gentlemen. Should I leave that for the board chairman to announce? Let's allow the board chairman to announce that. Yeah, board chairman. Let's allow the board chairman to announce that. Kodi, yes. Let him be the chief midwife in the labor room. Are you ready for that? So, ladies and gentlemen, I now have the singular honor to invite the board chairman of the board of directors of Yona Group, Mr. Muhammad Manjang.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Distinguished guests, members of the board, management, and most importantly, the extraordinary men and women who are the heart and soul of Yona Group. I stand before you today with immense gratitude and pride. It's a journey of faith and purpose. When the Yona journey began many years ago, in a small corner shop in Bakau, carrying the name of a humble village in the Central River region, there was a vision, not just a business vision, but a vision rooted in Islamic principles, in service to the community, and in the belief that Gambian enterprise could stand shoulder to shoulder with the best in the world. Today, Yona Group employs over 600 people, 600 families whose lives are touched by the work we do together, 600 stories of hope, ambition, and dedication. But these numbers tell only a part of our story. The true measure of success is really this year, as I reflect on 2025, I am not most proud of our financial achievements or our expanded portfolio. I am most proud of what we have become, a company that remembers its roots, honors its faith, and uplifts its people. When we sent 3 of our colleagues, Aliu Kamara, Kadi Sise, Kejau, but instead opted for his mom, on Hajj last year, this year, today is the 1st. So last year, we didn't just fulfill a benefit package. We fulfilled a sacred dream. We invested in their spiritual journey, and when they returned, they brought back with them barakah that touches all of us. This is why today I am also honored to announce that for 2026, we will sponsor again 3 Hajj packages for deserving staff members. This is our commitment to you, that Yona Group sees you not just employees, but as valued members of our family, worthy of investment in both your worldly and spiritual success. Each subsidiary of the group has demonstrated remarkable achievement last year. Yona Forex Bureau, our flagship, continues to lead the remittance industry with over 200 payout locations nationwide, bringing financial access to every corner of the Gambia. Your dedication to customer service, even when faced with challenges like the temporary Juba Express disruption, showed professionalism and resilience. Yona Islamic Microfinance, you have empowered entrepreneurs, supported farmers, financed dreams, and done so while maintaining the highest standards of Sharia compliance. Your donation of $100,000 to UTG students facing financial hardships exemplifies our commitment to education and opportunity. Yona Wallet, our digital future. You are revolutionizing how Gambians transact from your landmark partnership with GTSC to community engagements at Tipper Garage. You are making financial inclusion a reality for market vendors, drivers, and everyday citizens. Yona Insurance Company is still in your infancy, but already making impact, providing Sharia-compliant protection for families and businesses across our nation. Yona Agribusiness. They delivered 60 tractors to the government of the Gambia, transforming agricultural productivity and earning international recognition at the ITL Africa Conference in Dubai. This is the kind of nation-building work that changes lives. Yona Enterprise, the foundation upon which everything is built, continuing to provide quality, affordable food products to Gambian households with integrity and reliability. As Mr. Fadi alluded to, which is YCell, building tomorrow's digital infrastructure. Now, I am sure most people around here have heard before, so we must acknowledge the elephant in the room. I think this is what Mr. Fati was referencing, that YCell, our communication subsidiary, and our ongoing negotiations with the government for Gamcell's infrastructure modernization project. So the pregnancy Mr. Fati alluded to, that is the pregnancy. I'm sure we're all waiting eagerly the outcome of that conversation. While I cannot discuss details of the ongoing negotiations, what I can tell you is that Yona Group has always thought big, dreamed big, and we're delivering big. Our proposal to transform Gambia's telecommunication landscape represents the spirit that took us from Bakau to where we stand today. That investment will probably be one of the Gambia's largest investments in telecommunications infrastructure. And so whatever the outcome, and we are very hopeful that it will close soon, but know that your leadership is fighting for opportunities that will create jobs, build capacity, and position Yona as a truly transformative force in our nation's digital future. So the work continues, the vision remains clear, and inshallah, we will share more when the time is right. But indeed, the time will be right, inshallah, and that transformation will be seen right across the country. Again, this year, on a different note from the business growth, we made history at the National May Day celebration. It was our first participation, and we won the Best Dressed Award. When I saw the photos of our team marching in purple and white, unified, proud, energized, I saw the future of the Gambia. Young, ambitious, professional, and proudly Gambian. With an average staff age of 25, you are not just the future, you are the present. You are the energy that drives innovation at Yona Wallet, the passion that serves customers at Yona Forex, the dedication that closes at Yona Islamic Microfinance. Our CSR initiatives this year tell the story of a company that understands its responsibility, extends beyond the balance sheet. Iftar donation to Kanifing General Hospital, Ndemban Clinic, and Brikama Hospital during Ramadan. International Women's Day support for lady counselors and visits to Mile 7 juvenile prisons. Distribution of 20 ramps in partnership with Remit Choice. $6,000 in donation supporting women's empowerment, educational visits, school sponsorships, youth empowerment programs. This is who we are. This is the Yona way. One of my favorite initiatives this year was our Walk for Health event, seeing our staff across all subsidiaries come together, not for profit, not for transactions, but for wellness, team spirit, and unity. That captured the essence of what makes Yona Group special. We are not just colleagues. We are a family that cares about each other's well-being, that celebrates together, that grows together. Today, we gather not just to celebrate as a company, but to celebrate each other. The awards that we will be presenting later today represent countless hours of dedication, creativity, service, and sacrifice. To those receiving recognition, you are role models. You set the standard. You inspire your colleagues. To those not receiving awards today, your time will come. Keep pushing, keep growing, keep believing. In Yona Group, we rise together. And to our 3 Hajj recipients for 2026, may Allah accept your journey, purify your hearts, and return you to us with strength and wisdom to lead this company to even greater heights. As we stand at the threshold of 2026, I see unlimited potential. I see Yona Wallet expanding across West Africa. I see Yona Islamic Microfinance empowering thousands of entrepreneurs. I see Yona Insurance becoming the trusted shield for Gambian families. I see Yona Agribusiness mechanizing our agricultural revolution. And I certainly see YSL transforming how Gambians connect, communicate, and compete in the digital economy. But none of this will happen without you. You are the ones who serve customers with a smile after a difficult day. You are the ones who innovate, who solve problems, who refuse to accept mediocrity. You are the ones who wear purple with pride and carry the Yona name in every corner of this nation. I challenge each of us today to really be asking, what will be our contribution to the Yona story, to the Yona story? Will you be the marketer who breaks all records? Will you be the customer service representative whose kindness changes someone today? Will you keep the developer who builds the future that revolutionizes our platforms? Will you be the leader who mentors the next generation? The Yona story is being written every day, in every transaction, in every interaction, in every decision you make. So make it count, make it excellent, and make it worthy of the Yona name. Before I close, I must express my gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has blessed this journey beyond imagination. To my colleagues on the board, for their wisdom and guidance. To Mr. Sirifo Toure and the executive management team for their strategic vision and operational excellence. To our customers who trust us with their financial lives. To our partners who believe in our mission. And most importantly, to every single person in this room and those watching live stream. Thank you. Thank you for your dedication. Thank you for your sacrifice, and thank you for believing in Yona Group. We began Yona in a village. We grew in Bakau. We expanded across the Gambia. Tomorrow, who knows? Maybe West Africa, but perhaps even the world. And I think certainly that is the intention. I mean, we like dreaming big, but if you don't dream big, you will never make it big. So we dream big, and we are making it big. So with this team, with this faith, with this determination, anything is possible. Let us leave here today renewed, energized, and committed. Committed to excellence, committed to each other, committed to building a Yona Group that makes every Gambian proud. One network, one Yona, one family. May Allah bless this company, bless our work, and bless each of you abundantly. I thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. You know, if you go to our kulios and our futusitos, ning alfadia mutafa pareta, ikadulje kana kafe ba nyambasla, kakumanding fayala kumokang. But I am in a very difficult corner right now. Ale chairman la kumomoy. Did we nga chairman la kumomoy la ba? And I'll be there in the mamoy. We've heard what the chairman said. Okay, question. If you heard what the chairman said, what was the elephant in the room? Officer is answering. Ako? Okay, sir. Why, sir? The journalist, the guy from Sen FM said is why, sir. And inshallah, like he said, we are committed to retelling the story of connectivity in this country. We are committed to ensuring that you don't cry foul of connections. One Yona, one network, one family. The chairman said a lot of things. And then deliberating on the activities and the CSR that we've been doing towards the communities as something that is very commendable. And Yona, as a group of company, we have supported far and beyond to people that don't necessarily have any affiliation to what we do. But like I said, this is the result of empowering Gambian company like Yona. Because when things go south, like I say in other places, when things go south, you know, when HR comes, you have to listen. Otherwise, you never know what is happening tomorrow. I have to listen to her, so HR. So, like I said, when we went out in the field, we are trying to boast to the people that we are secured and then we are here. We will tell you, if things go south with other companies, what would happen? They will tell you the famous slogan of Al Group, Dingen ko yeg. How many of you remember that? Dingen ko yeg. They have gone with the funds, they have gone with the money, and we are left here hanging. But with Yona, you just need to travel 11 kilometers away from Bansang, pass through Kunting, and you will see the CEO sitting at the Bantaba in Yona village in the Gambia. And that is why we are confident to even have a representative from the office of the IGP here. Because ntol mansila mamburi manta dawdandi fi lañ nekk fi la ñoo toog fi lañ am te lu ñoo liggéey yépp yéen lañ koo delloo. So that is Yona. Now I deserve a clap too. We'll also recognize the presence of one of our board members of the Forex Bureau, Mr. Bekai Dabo. Mr. Bekai, please. We don't have shortage of resources. We don't have shortage of capacity. So we that are on the ground, don't be hopeless. We always have the people that will, be the touchlight for us. Kasilo need more here. Sajako nsi Silo Jeno. And Bekai and team are one of those. So at this point, we would get into a little entertainment. And if you are ready to laugh, please, this is the time. If you are ready to enjoy, this is the time. But we will give a disclaimer. And the disclaimer is, whatever happens here, stays here. We are not obliged to answer to any questions after here. No HR meetings after here. Munana yentofo after here. Whatever happens, stays here. Kodi, the Yona drama team, this is the disclaimer they've asked me to say. And then we will also have a drama by our legendary team Kitabu people. Like I announced earlier, they're here. But before we have them, just a quick announcement. One of our staff members lost his car keys or misplaced it. If you happen to find any key, please report it here, or you can talk to any of our ushers. I think this might happen at the time of the breakfast. So please, if you see any key that is not yours, or you've heard somebody announcing, you can please bring it forward. And also, another staff member misplaced his mobile phone. And then he said it's ringing, meaning it is not, but if you've, maybe it could be in silence mode. So if you've seen any phone that is vibrating around you or somebody is announcing, please bring it to our attention. So I have the singular honor to invite, before the drama presentation, Mr. Kitabu Fati, who is the CEO of Team Kitabu Comedy, to deliver a short speech and invite his team for a drama presentation. Thank you. After which, it is going to be a continuation. The Yona drama team should be on standby. After the drama by Team Kitabu, the Yona drama team is taking over. Like I said, it stays here.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ndara umural alafu wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi. Along molu kamera ul mukule du menu soniyar. Umura ne hijo. Hijo kabiri ya itandina arafat ning minna ning Muzdalifa tiem. Ngom fa yo ngasena kusane kunanga keba dol ngani muske ba dol. Wallahi wal ma hiji. Nganyota ki tawafu laro damen do anen safanu marwa ngalo ngaduta nyawnya drama kundanga keba do jël mahi akadule bari kamobe tentu kal jayi ka datinna alfa balu la men be siring santo jang alhamdulillah rabbil alamin alhamdulillah seru ngama be nyinam fana ngama be o mo alhamdulillah let mo be sa alhamdulillah ka do menno tata janni nyi lungo mamre kuke menyan natinne ta ndol fana mamira nga ku baake men nyandan dulaja bari ala tento lemu kasabati jambari ka fo fanan ko yona mu compagnie balde al bulon ko sewon kanyen conference lu mo fon fandi mo ro famu ku dolti ma fandi mo do la fo yona do ku lalu do yona e konko wonni nyi banko kanja ka dum do ku lame be seyare nday yamere wol kam mo jelle balonde suwol kono o mo kulete me alon ko asembo warta baake e manda woto handol tim kitabu kan do fa nan kono fanne la ta se bulo ko sen bakay ndum ngafo jana seru ngafo nyinam fa nam bafola yona they are one of our biggest sponsors kabriye dum bulo dum koto hani mi nana me bulo bondin koto oto mo ala tan baldi sayimbe sanji saba ngamira mbole bayndi kanten saaten din kayra ma ngamira seru ñinan be kala sanji nani ti saaten din kayra ma bitakan dun saaten din kayra ma ni yona le bitakan abla yona felen din jam sayin de ngamira kondon do tala na mangi yona de faade kondon le bar say yona kondon le beje oto kamolu tentu ke jayi baake momo be jang from the CEO the board of chair katafo the managing director mbe tentulam be jayi même photo nyalam ndanga yona dam malaje ila alfa la office ko no ini wofu baka don kata yedun je firikit mo bu kene den ni ka sawa mo bu kay sa mo bu ka ko hey lo band o nyimbatu idun da dawda do ni se hadama ya mu ne ka wono wole mu famma joti hormoni mbunya ani lafta fanan mo be ke kilinti o mu kulati me alonko a nyomo mansiya o to mbe tentulam be jayila anin to latta boko don ko na taboko don ko le na taboko don ko mbe tentulam be jayila lamin sisa o nyol bi jang ñun mu molete men ya lonko e ka tim kitabu dingolu fasa bake ninge ko wato wata se dunya wanya isem fasa oto mbal tentulam mbal jayila bake no bota je don se théâtre ndinge me ya lonko alote jam fala bake kadum drame kundan ko be nya sabaka nyame ngalo no kondon ko be la ko kondon ko be wala si kanjam oto namol alnan ha ngaji be men kala sa ma ko lambe mamu fo kelin se kaja hanin ta ke no la jande nama mo siata allo yo na jema ha nama ndafa na saki no janga kangul
ha sem batu mic check 1 2 ñew
ñew na
okay
obitaka
yeah
abla keketo nana yalla ko ya batu serum kanda ina ngira kana kana ani ibota kata masile nana ado mando moro membe je wala ko ngama ñor wala so Dakar kawiri ni umra ko le nasar wala ke ba do bi ja ko ne ko be musoli ala na dake amman na ke dula da ala ke Dakar
mar mar ni ko
wallahi
ya no man ko ko mun fo ko ni man ta ko ba ta musu mar ala dire ita ko ba bu ta musu mari
man da musu muso be ko e muso de Dakar fo yo ko nyanda ne
ma be musu sabale be ko ni no ko ma na ni ibo musu dule
ya sai même problème wala katike to sakataje google fi jaram ba ka tamne ko wala ni wesi fi de ko pure def kataje katara ko feje gts inde to peno ndum membe je wala mo yalo man la fi dum moy ta ndam man la fa ta Dakar na nanje na wadi ni ya mere nya mamma ni ala juma fa saya nya dum na jange so ko bula de mona hani ngena o fanya
ma ke mo sabale fati ka sama sile du so ji min kama
ni daga mo fa daga mo kundu ne daga mo kundu ni mo fa ko da wona kan ko ni ga mo de ni ga fa kana barke kundu mona mo
ni be dia man ni du so ji min ke
hani ni ga nya de du so ji
ni ko sisi ni mo hombe ma do e ba na de sama ma be ni ba
ni ale sama ala juma fa ku hiya ha amen na nonsense abula wala mun na problem mo kata ka tike do santana da ka garu man na fa meja jumala man jaba da ibare na man jaba da man jaba da zindu muri ite bu ko de la tele pra isa ba ke samba nda sama no da karani ha
ila watu bi umisia watu bi umana ko tigi to kasam
mondo na yona
wala to ko tigi to kasam jeli
abula wo ya fo man la fa
wala ya fo wallahi sabili
abe ka tike do santana da
adina na damila
pa fa de no walo no wai
adina na
no walo ni na he no walo ni na ma nyo ko mo ka fa mbenye ma nyo ko mo fo ka nyandara be ko nan ko be tare ko ba wa
ese tigi to
so be ha ma nyo ko ma ko ana ta su na ni mo anyalo
keke no ndama ko sun demba
yono do kula na yono do kula ko su jogo to ko lu be su ndol ko ma ko ila ben nak do ya ban do ba ya do
baba mbago ila tige to sandal ya ila tige to sandal sa katana ni fula do ni tan ila tige to sandal ibe nun la ya si rawka di comfortable di fona keke den na kile na wala
ba ni de tigari giri ya wala sa katana da ika moy
yona bela men sai na baba il afta sonko fo na banna mo soko ni fula pa be fula mo gadal mo soko e driver atu e passé fo ngo ko sa fali ni kala
ya lo fulo ni ka bu ko la ibe ni ka bu ka fula ko fo ka ni fulo ta be de kan ya lo be mo problem fulo la no ina sa ko mo ka ba fulo sa ko mo fulo le ile ni fulo sa ko mo de nya ile ga ba ka yono dum ila ko man na ni tike de ko da bana ni la moy yono la fa be wa fe ila fa be kan ko ko do ki yono ka kan ka bank account yele me a lo ko batata je torata je yono ka yono ka do mo wa fo ke hani findo yono ka wa
ila do ni findo ka wa sa sana dina ya ase
ka bo fendere bulu ka ko
ako do man ni ka wo
wallahi fendere bulu ka ko ila ka abeda le isamba na ko ka be bure ka yo ala ba ka ba an nyamba
ba ya da man ni na wala da sai mala ka mo bari fana ko yo sa kun sa
Thank you very much, Team Kitabu. Allah Barakabake. That was a very interesting play. Just to tell you, we have revolutionized bus travels in the Gambia. You can be at home, at school, at work, and buy GTSC tickets at the comfort of your zone. Ladies and gentlemen, before going further, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Sakis, who is also a friend of the CEO and also the former president of ALCOF. Please give him a round of applause. You're welcome. All right, so now we have another entertainment just to electrify this room. So now I would like to invite the Yona group, the Yona drama team to demonstrate a short play focused on our various products and services. Please give them a round of applause. Yona Group drama team, are you set? Okay.
Hello. Okay, wafala kuma me dunia. Anda ada kubala bendal. Anda tak banda banda ni na ada ada. Ya simpa pura mandi wal ni na. Anda nada cura ya simpa pura mandi wal ni na. Ada mina mo sa sa moje manala da ko mo ko da sabbin be jere da wallahi bi mu me ma ada ya so ba da ni ciwo manali me fa fa ko ta da fa ba da ha ba ku ni fa bra ma ko so sa ta ko ma ni ko Mala polo boca. Iba ya tío na. Ko ya ke ni kare apa bisa banja.
Assalamualaikum. Ndogo, apa nyari? Mana bekerja? Force apa betul? Kembo friendly. Enggak kenapa dia? Kodi. Yo. Sila. Apa nyari? Ubah aja. Kalau ada ande, no problem. Tio, ini ada kerja. Kenapa? Ibadi. Kubelo. Sama apa? Ngatain dong ada, kita belo loh. Nana esi nasi ingat aja. Kanada ni ira baraku. Yalo ngala kulle sia. Nalo tiro kai. Aba kurole na tanya itu esi. Kaya ke sama pinana. Kubelo. He. Kubelo sama pinana. Boy. Minanda konan.
Serasa biar ini.
Saya
Ningero biar pelasun saja deh.
Kok, ya jangan. Abis dia, kau tahu apa?
Kita maju dulu yo.
Pertanyaan gini, siapa punya kan orang nasi? Oh, kita nggak pindah diskusi. Nana, tapi nak punya lagi mau nasan. Karena nana sih pada orang mau. Ya lagi kubero.
Asal Liverpool loh, beraji bebe, budel apa lagi?
Ya lo aja oke.
Orang sos penyari itu.
Sos betul. Lo lebih. Nana ya sih.
Orang dia nak kacau sos yang betul kan film.
No, kalau orang bi oke, bi kacau betul.
Mana bahasa lo pak lah betul.
Bahasa lo pak yang dong ada.
Orang kacau nama apa? Ya lo bukan di Liverpool, betul kan sih kan buat dokter boy.
Nana.
Ya lo cool di Liverpool. Aliger ya ni bahane. Alu fadde mene na. Ya. Wai fose ko ri ko fo ko nyaade. De tiyo fara na de. albe kulin. Ye man. Kami ko man jar ge ko ite. Ko ya ka sala wala le. Kana video lo. Adola ate akamel boss gudi ko manda. Boss ye bori boy. Ba ka nyina boy brother ni sama nyam boy la kaso dia la. Ajine madam yemi maja bakel but I sometimes what I can mukala fika na last raza because awe ande so ni lata bakala to boy mu local leti o yona be men te kan ni banko kan jambo fu moy kun koltima o traki to la nyaade men nate ay to na be dala ni lo ta traki to le baso do
nyadi
ita mala ka traki lo so nyam
ndo mo ronde ka way ko yona ka traki do di masakunda sender men ko matar masakunda ko tel mo indi fi gol fama sole tel mo se la le melano ko tel mo se bot ko traki do tel mo ke mo so la nyadi rek
fama mo te ga rek la awareness so be dame ka mo fa nyam be dama France na la nyam ya rek mo ko kala
yana tel mo senela le so tel ma abc ni bi ni bobo bi bo nyoto
on mi man sura abcd la dale sura de men yalo yona warata fanna jamal le biji ado fanna me ya di ba ka fay dam man ke bulu bi ñola ya fa am ya comme den de joxantel ba xam nga fu ma waxe den de joxantel ba
wala ko nak mo moy de joxantel
li ngeen be sini dal ay ñak class na de ko suba ko
de ngeen be ci ba ngeen mo tara bi
ni microfinance de ani agri business agri business wala be mara den ka ki to la ko
sa wala ko de la ta ko so la dunya
contrat ki to da ya
ko la
c'est million sino li
million ko la
ban sa ite bo so la ñame ibe na account do le yela account ni yo yela microfinance sa ni microfinance ko le kacha konte na ta tra ki to le la
par ko do be de bulu yono microfinance ko do be bulu yono
la mi sa wala ya ko e wala ban ta sa
ko do be microfinance
ko do me bulu ye bi ta jere do invoice so ta agri business ya fa ko ya de ka tamani ñame itra ki to na da jere kemo keme si du la mo ni lulu ete ko le job la wati kene 25% do
yeah 25% woni lu ni o la ke mo lo woni lu ko lo do
ni o jo fe pare dole to de 75
ta wor wala ni lu
ta wor wulo ne mi bina katala ya la mi sa mambo na tela ko so na ada
yeah
sanji fula do la ba fula ya jo do mo ne do mo
yo na na ko ko mo da de senela
sa ko ni ke nyawla mano dia la sa sa ko sanji sa ba ko kasi ke o ko na ta ki so
o da be ko da ka da yo na na aka ko be bita ko ko
So ala fasan na ne ko ci trakito su no le me alon ko amul ko le ya ala fu ko le mu ya faham mu ne moy ala tol ko ala na ta mo le ni sen jam yalla ne sa to ko boy ka tra anje boy ko be no na boy dama ngi informative for just like that boy ko le faham when you go boy la film boy ko so ena boy ka betala boy satarina ma satala le jande boy fa ya fa yo insurance o jele ko di ko man ning ko frankanta purtolo ko di mo ne bu ka fa Mr. Betela frankanta purtolo no yo dila no mo ti je men sa men so mo ni na ye sibi dala la insurance o do mo ne bu ko fa ala insurance o ko ma mo men jama bije ko ka mera ko nim police o ye no silo kan ha ila insurance o le wala mala na fati no hani IGP la representer before bijan na tro bala lo man ka na fati do e wote na fani menti wala mo ko nin kasaro keda je wala accident keda so wol be lo la je nyaadi le xam nga pour lay fa pasaro ngo insurance lo la ya understand naka la ñoo mëna ñëwé kay fa parce am nga accident be paré bu dé ci moto la wala ci moto bike la am nga accident ibe ñaata fitano la ñaamé ni nga tara fa ko cordano ila tekke la corda inso ni fra la je do hay ifana sa ka ñol bi jélé
ko da fa ko fa inso
ika corda inso
par yona de
hay wala ko yona limit le boy
yona la ko se mo wata ba
ika corda inso le ani la kundu ni la to sto isa inso
na jane da du
na ko la fam inso ni ko wada ma mo la marso jale
satari
boy ko fa le ma fa xam le boy
wala ben ko la
ma fa xam le boy ay ma fa la la boy ay barcelona ben duran de bo de ni information bi di wala wala boy ko ko ah boy na fole so fele dinga boy cheno mata na kulli Cabral ya lo teg la programme sur ya sama OIC allo teg la programme ni seru fama sama OIC allo drinkol mel be min je yona la ya ay OIC ni tan ji conference xali president baro ba ko yona drinkol min OIC na na je ko la fere enta president ko la jam boy kon pasol bijele manol bijele dulinol bijele adu men fa ya dia fa ye integral jele mel ko ni su karo ba kan ki la ko kaf na ñomal ndela stratégie am mere ni wol kaf na ñomal ba ñu su karo sida ngara ke jawla ya ba ko di mo ba la ke ñi mat la ida para kala ko do ko
oto yo no ko ya bere so
mere bi je bo
bere bi yo no ko tay no ko ri mi na ni bambo ka ñan say
yes
mo ko ni say
ita ka mo lo do e ka fonde sa tare na bari fa ka mo le de ay ba kur kan ba no woni na sa tare na ya de boy ma information jama sa no do ba was ke no de ay tra ki mo fo de ko mo te confuse ni jambo e paso do le ka ba tra ki ko bijele boy si ken ko kebe ko mo ni ni rabita ay ko bijele ay no hew na churin chala bale ala
bari te be fo kanja ha linger be siri jaw mo man diga ko ba sula ko sina ite apa mo na fa
ay linger boy linger
dal mo la ben dal waaro la ko ta na na man bokku ma ci
ay bokk nga ci
yow dama nga faram paccal ma li ngeen doon wax fi ni ndax am na ñoo xam ne xamul li ngeen di wax tamit
linger bala ma lay faram fancal dama lay bëgg bëggé xam nga say mom daf la xawa biitu waaye xam nga man biitu ma kese de est-ce que suma boto suma bicycle bii nii mun naa la ci teg yóbbu la ci kanam xam nga man maa la bëgg a kum na xari fasal sa kanam yow rek ay liggéey waay te dama taasu ne xam nga say ñoom xam nga waaye man lu ma leen doon wax moo nekkal gis nga yow na tey soo bëggee tracteur mun nga koo am yaa ngi gis soo bëggee tracteur mun nga koo am moo koy amee moo nekk rek da ngay dem microfinance dem agri business susi mu fa waaw boo demee rek xawaare yow moom xam na yëpp understand moom xam na yëpp foofu noonu soo demee rek mu jox la invoice bi da nga dem microfinance gaa ñu ngi toog foofu noonu ñoom Bakary Cissé gaa processal la everything So bu dee tracteur bi 100 dalasi lay jar yow 25 dalasi ngay fere dugal ko sa compte 75 bu si des boobu noonu Mr. Mamboure moom benn cër dafa ko yore bu ko joxee rek mu defal la ko 3 years la fekk voilà déedéet waaye bu ceeb man la di boo ceeb dem fekk tamit dama ñàkk la bi waaw non pour publicité bu fa paree nag nga dem si enterprise bi ñoo nekk si wàllum maalo yi duli léegi xam nga you know bu tooyee ñoom ñoo si nekk suuf na niin rek boo fa demee nga jënd maalo am diwlin am sukkar am macaroni waaye tàccu leen lii yoon ma dee bëgg a wax yëpp nag ma dee booyee informa te man bu ma nekk informa xam nga waaye saakare na yooyu noonu la foog ma def ko bi ñun si loolu la ñëw yëngu loolu la ñëw dundee so fara ni nga leen déglu ana wataade ene ma suwa kam muy insurance bi mu fa insurance boo fa demee nag comme soo amee ay wàllu moto xam nga comme fantankala daal xam nga fantankala boobu nag fankanta waaw fankanta boobu nag soo amee moto wala nga ama njëkk jaw yaa la maa sa ko demal fankante te la mu ne ko jaw yaa waaw yaa soo boobu noonu nag soo fa demee sa am nga moto sa insurance bi nekkul ne police moo la war a laajte sa insurance moo nekk important insurance pour tankarang la yaa understand soo amee sa insurance bi pare yàlla ñaanu ko yàlla waaye nga am accident wala nga am naka su dul noonu yow na insurance war nañ am na taxawal am na nag yeneen façon nag seen comprehensive mu waaye xam nga yéen seen jànga matut noonu noonu waaye pour ñu gàttal ko foofu noonu rek waaw dafa nga dugg si biir comprehensive mu fa xam nga you know taag patitam mu fa sa kër sax bu dee taw dafa ñëw ni ita même be bolon kon bu dee taw dafa ñëw kankarang be wuta xam nga korgeti yëpp dem nañ insurance bi mun nañ koo fekk la ñëw taxawal la fa ñu defaral la yëpp dem baax loolu laa doon wax gaay rek kon xam nga man information comme ñu gaa ne anglais is power yow bu waruloo dem si loxo góor boo xam ne du la mën a jox loo soxla man na damay wër dëkk bi yëpp di understand di xam so boo àndeek man affaire baax boo àndeek man sa affaire baax boo àndeek man sa affaire baax ay fekk naa daa si boo àndeek man boo àndeek man sa affaire baax ay awle boo àndeek man sa affaire baax àndal ak yéen seen affaire baax boo àndeek man seen affaire baax àndal ak yoon seen affaire baax
For better life, for better future, Yona Group of Company is your choice. So let's all start having an account with Yona through the wallet and through their microfinance account. The future is so bright. Thank you all for your attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them another big round of applause. That was really electrifying, right? Central, nyaye jalede. Ibe jalaka fuiki ibulo chikande santo. Oh, that was really interesting. You're on a drama group, well done. The drama was really interesting, right? Hello? Wasn't it? Did you enjoy it? All right, so this is Yona Group. Of course, we understand how frustrating it could be once you forget your Yona wallet password and you have to send money to your family or friends. But then you can always call 1124 and our customer service department will always be at your service. You need good tractors, Yona Agribusiness is the right place to go. And of course, we do not only sell these tractors, but of course, we also provide solutions for the layman out there because we understand how expensive these tractors could be sometimes. So if you want to pay in installment as well, you can always work with Yona Islamic Microfinance. You need protection for your staff, for your house, you know, for your businesses as well. You can always work with Yona Islamic Insurance. So ladies and gentlemen, I know most of you are already feeling famished. I would like to confirm with the organizing committee if food is done, so we can go for lunch and come back for the next section of the program. Organizing committee.
Okay, whilst we confirm for the lunch.
Okay. Okay, so whilst we confirm for the lunch, I would like to invite Amigay. Amigay has something for us. Amigay. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Amigay. Last year, she delivered a very interesting poem. So now let's see what she has for us this time. Wow, tachul len linger bi way. Tachul len ko, a bigger one, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, respected partners, and valued customers, good afternoon to you all. Today I stand by with a great pride to speak about Yona. Yona is not just a financial institution. Yona is a tool for the whole Gambia. And today I want to talk about the aspect that Yona have in the country. Yona was created with a clear vision to make financial service fast, reliable, secure, and accessible to everyone. In a world where time is money and trust is everything, Yona has positioned itself as a dependable partner for individuals, families, and businesses. Impact of Yona in the country. Yona has made a significant impact on our country by strengthening the financial system and supporting economic activities at all levels, from small traders to large businesses, from local communities to international partners. Yona plays a key role in connecting people to opportunities. Through Yona Forex Bureau, we have enabled smooth and transparent foreign exchange service, supporting trade, travel, education, and international businesses. Yona has helped reduce barriers in accessing foreign currencies, has contributed to economic stability and confidence. With Yona Wallet, we have taken financial service closer to people, whether in urban or remote areas. Yona Wallet empowers individuals to send, receive, save, and manage money with ease. This has promoted financial inclusion, allowing more people to participate actively in community. Fast, reliable, easy money transfer. One of Yona's greatest strengths is its speed and reliability. Sending money locally is a fast, seamless. Receiving money is safe and instant. International transfers and simply secure and efficiency. Yona understands that people transfers are not just transactions. They are about supporting families, paying school fees, running businesses, and responding to emergencies. That is why Yona ensures that every transaction is handled with accuracy, transparency, and care. Excellent customer service. At the heart of Yona is a strong community. To customer service, Yona believes that customers deserve respect, honesty, and prompt support. Our trained and personal staff are always ready to assist, guide, resolve issues quickly. We listen to our customers, we value their feedback, and we continuously improve our service to meet their needs. With Yona, customers do not feel like numbers, they feel like partners. Islamic microfinance, the banking side of Yona, beyond Forex and digital wallets. Yona is proud to offer Islamic microfinance service, which operate fully in line with Sharia principles. This banking side of Yona ethical and interest-free financing, support for small business and entrepreneurs, financial solution based on fairness, trust, and shared property. Islamic microfinance through YONA helps empower individuals, grow business, reduce poverty, and build suitable communities, while respecting religious and value morals. In conclusion, YONA is more than a forex bureau, more than a wallet, and more than a financial institution. YONA is a bridge connecting people to opportunities, connecting local markets to the world, and connecting financial service to the values of trust, speed, and integrity. With fast and reliable service, strong customer care, innovative digital solution, and ethical Islamic microfinance, YONA continues to make financial service easy, accessible, and meaningful for everyone. Thank you for your truth. Thank you for believing in YONA. And together, let us continue building a stronger financial future for the Gambia. Comme no len ko déggee yéen ñëpp xam ngeen YONA. YONA bàyyiwut maalo, bàyyiwut diwlin, bàyyiwut soble. Dama bëgg yéen ñëpp nag ngeen tàccul Sirifo ndax su du toon moom ñun duñ toog fii nii. Jërë ngeen jëf.
Mashallah, lolu neex na torop waay. Please give her another round of applause, please. Amige, thank you very much for giving a summary of the 6 companies within YONA Group umbrella. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we will take a short break and go for lunch, and then we will come back in the next 30 minutes for the next segment of the program.